Welcome to my channel, friends. Let's learn how to cook Paneer Tikka.
Here's a simple guide on how to cook Paneer Tikka. Paneer Tikka ingredients: paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cut into cubes, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, lemon juice, salt to taste, skewers for marination. In a bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, lemon juice, and salt to create a smooth marinade. For Paneer Tikka, cut paneer into bite-sized cubes. Add the paneer cubes to the marinade, ensuring each piece is well coated. Allow it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours, or preferably overnight in the refrigerator. Cooking method: preheat your oven or grill. Thread the marinated paneer cubes onto skewers. Place the skewers in the preheated oven or on the grill, ensuring even spacing. Cook until the paneer turns golden brown and gets a slightly charred appearance. You can baste it with a little oil or butter for added flavor. Serving: remove the Paneer Tikka from the skewers and serve hot. Garnish with fresh coriander and a wedge of lemon. Optional: you can also add diced vegetables like bell peppers and onions to the skewers for a colorful and flavorful variation. Enjoy the tantalizing flavors of homemade Paneer Tikka, a popular Indian appetizer perfect for gatherings or as a delightful snack.